everyone, my name is Nate Taylor, and welcome to my course, JavaScript Promises and Async Programming. I am a solution architect at Avature in Omaha, Nebraska. JavaScript promises are a powerful solution to working with asynchronous programming. However, they can also be intimidating to learn, but they don't have to be. In this course, we're going to cover everything you need to know to begin working with promises and async await in JavaScript. Some of the major topics that we will cover include asynchronous programming, consuming and creating promises, and using async await in JavaScript. By the end of this course, you'll know how to work with promise-based libraries, as well as how to wrangle asynchronous code by creating your own promises. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic JavaScript syntax. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn promises with the JavaScript Promises and Async Programming course at Pluralsight.